Sugar struggles, another day, another story. Why women over 40 face a rising diabetes threat. There is an alarming rise of diabetes in women post-40, its multifaceted impacts from health to finance, and the blend of medical and natural approaches to counter this challenge. The unsettling combo of being overwhelmed, and emotionally and physically unbalanced plays a part in this health trend. The stress and strain of unbalanced lives might secretly tax your heart. Work-life whirl, managing health while staying productive at work is a challenge, especially when sick days creep in. Natural remedies can help. Click the link in the description so you can learn more about the blood sugar drain.